Hello, welcome or welcome back. My name is Mandy. I like to talk about makeup and makeup panning, art, real life, and all that jazz. So, today I have an update for Paranormal Pantivity. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for today's video. Alright, this is Paranormal Pantivity. It is a Fantastic Ladies collab group project, and it was created by Andrea at Pretty as a Peacock. There are a lot of P's in this project. You can do this with monthly or bi-monthly updates. It started on September 24th of 2022, and it goes until September 24th of 2023. And September 24th was the last Saturday of the month, and that was National Ghost Hunting Day. This is all about spooks and specters and things that go bump in the night. And if that is your jam, then this is a project for you. You are to work on 6 or more rolling products. And yeah, I am working on 6 and I have a rollout. So let's get into my update and see what things look like. Let me grab my pencil because I forgot to mark uses on things really quick. And whoop, something rolled into my notebook. One of my products rolled into my notebook. Okay. And yep. Okay. That's what happens when you use your products for your update. You got to remember to update your tallies. Alright. So, the first product I have is for Poltergeist. I am doing this just going straight down the list. Poltergeist is a product that gives you trouble, and or it's hard to use or hard packaging. I brought in this bronzer from Medusa's Makeup. It is their Sun-Kissed bronzer, and it is too orange for me to use as a bronzer, but I am wearing it today as a blush. And I have to use a very light hand and blend it out and get a lovely blush. I probably won't be keeping this in the future. It is not my cup of tea, but that is what it looks like. It is very orangey, and I can make it work as a blush, as you can see, but yeah, I think I would rather spend my time working on something that I will enjoy. But my goal for this project is to use it 13 times. Sorry, getting my makeup eraser primed for erasing. And so far I have used it 12, including today. So I have one more use left. So I think I will, yeah, I'll go ahead and bring something in for this. I hadn't realized I was that close, and so I will bring something in for this. And get my one more use, and then I'll bring an extra product in. Next is for Doppelgänger. That is a product you have a double of or backup of, and for that I brought in this nail polish from Sally Hansen, and it is in Naughty Cream, and it's the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails. I brought this in because I have a shade from Avon that is exactly the same as it. Get my swatch nail. So this is the color here, and this is the Avon color. They are identical. One's maybe a little more purple, but for the most part, they're identical. I brought this in to use 6 times, and so far I've used it 3, and we are, I believe, right about here. So this bottle is almost empty. I have 3 more uses to go on that product, so hopefully I'll have enough product in there to get those 3 uses done. So we'll see. Next is for White Lady, and that is a white product or packaging. And for that I brought in my NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in pure white, and I am wearing it today in my lower water line. And my goal is to use it 13 times, and so far I've used it 11. So I have 2 more uses to go. I am not going to bring something in for this, although I could. No, we'll go ahead and... no, we'll go... yes, we'll bring something in for this because I have 2 uses left and I might as well get my 2 uses done and start working on something else. So, I know the mental debate. So yes, we'll roll something in for that. So that means we're bringing in, okay, I had to stop and look at the list of prompts. I'm like, am I prepared to bring in this many things? Because I was only prepared to start this video with 1 roll in, and now I'm like, well, I'm going to bring in 2 more because those are almost done. So, alright, next, the one product I did meet my goal on for this month, and that is for Bloody Mary, a product with a mirror. And for that, I brought in my Alva 2 mini ocean palette. My goal was to use each shade once, no pan left behind. And it is one of the shade eyeshadow palettes I'm working on this month for the Enjoy Your Eyeshadows project. So I have used every shade in this palette at least once, possibly more. And I have decided I don't like this palette, so I'm going to pass it on to somebody else who will enjoy it. The blues are lovely. There's only one matte in the palette, and that is this light blue here. This is quite an intense blue. It is blendable, but very pigmented. These 2 brown-orange shades, they're okay. I have other shades like it, and they're not my favorite color story. These middle shimmer shades are beautiful, but I am going to pass this on to somebody else, and I already have somebody lined up to get it. Somebody who will enjoy this and get much more use out of it, hopefully. But yeah, because after using it, I'm not attracted to it. It's not something I gravitate toward and go, ooh, I want to use that today. This is kind of like, I have to use this palette again. So, unfortunately, this is not staying in my collection, but it is rolling out of this project because I did meet my uses on that. Next is for Screaming Skulls, a Halloween or scary themed product. For that, I brought in my BH Cosmetics Venom palette, and I brought in the shade Silent Killer, which is this guy right here. And I will give you a swatch of that. I am wearing it today in my eye look. It is on the outer corner. And there it is. It's just a dark metallic silver gray. But I really enjoy it. I'm actually using this palette for most of my eye look. Just to give you a quick rundown, I have this on the outer corner. I have fangs on the inner half to lighten it up, and then I topped that with Under the Skin, which is this shade right here. And then underneath everything I forgot, I have this Slithering as a base layer, with a little bit from my Pan That palette in the transition to blend it out, and in the inner corner and brow bone. My goal for this is to use it 13 times, and so far this is my 3rd use. It's one of those ones that I just haven't gotten to in my rotation and keep forgetting to reach for. This is a lovely color palette. I really enjoy all the colors in here. We've got some grays and some blues and some purples and silvers. I just enjoy all of these colors, but I need to get some more use on this, so hopefully I will do that in the next month and get at least 5 more uses out of it in the next month. So this is staying in the project. And then last update, I brought in Banshee, and that is something you are close to finishing. And for that, I brought in my NYX Dewy Setting Spray, and I say we're probably down here. It's opaque packaging, so I can't see in there, but it is quite empty. So it would have been done already, but I don't take it when I'm traveling, and the first half of the month I was pet sitting, and I did not take this with me even though I was wearing makeup every day. If I had taken it with me, I probably would have finished it by now, but I didn't think of it. So I will take it next time, and we will finish it up It should be finished by next month. I have used it 15 times since bringing it in. Okay, so that means I need to bring in 3 new products. I pulled 1 new product, so let me go grab something for the next 2 and we will talk about what those are. Okay, that was not bad at all. Pretty easy to find prompts for those. So let's get into the prompts and I'll talk about the products. So the first prompt I'm bringing in is for debug, not sure. Should have looked it up, but I didn't. And that is a product that is still in its box, and for that I'm bringing in my this Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara. I received this in my November Ipsy. It is in the shade black, of course, and it's about time I needed a new mascara anyway, so I want to bring this in. We'll go ahead and take it out of the box, and that is what it looks like. And what does the wand look like? This is the first time I've opened it. Okay, it's got a skinny wand, that's fine. And we are going to put that in for my standard 13 uses. Just going to transfer the month sticker. I picked this tip up from Anne Marie Elizabeth. She put stickers saying when they came into her collection, and I think that's a great idea because it reminds me how long I've had this. So bringing that in for 13 uses. Next is for Kelpie, and that is a product you use in the bath or shower. And I am going with my Not Your Mother's Tahitian Gardenia Flower and Mango Butter Curl Defining Shampoo. I'm bringing in for 13 uses, and we are going to start right there. This is probably going to take a while because I only, when I'm home, wash my hair every 3 or 4 to 7 days. Depends on how it's feeling, how much product is in it, and all that. And when I'm not home, I don't use it. So we'll see how long it'll take me to use, but 13 uses for that, and we are, like I said, starting right there. And I really enjoy it. I just washed my hair today, and it's beautiful scent. I think I will definitely purchase it again. I might purchase the matching conditioner next time, but yeah, I really enjoy it, and I will look forward to using that. And then next, the last product I'm bringing in is for Bogey or Bogeyman or Boogeyman, depending on where you're from. And that is a product you use at night. And for that, I am bringing in my Burt's Bees, what is this called? Overnight Intense Lip Treatment. It is a little potted lip balm. I already have hit bottom of the jar. And I use this every night. So this will be no problem hitting my 13 use goal on this, and that is when I'm bringing it in for 13 uses. I'm not going to try and finish this. I know it's going to take forever. You don't use a lot. But yeah, 13 uses for that. So that is everything for today's update. If you enjoyed this video, please, please, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of the products I brought in, what you thought of the products I rolled out, and what you are doing in general. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why? Why haven't you? Just hit the button right there. And I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and stay true to you. Bye. I'm so weird sometimes.